Hello there lovelies, Ashley Michelle here, and we are jumping right into this video today. I'm going to be reviewing and installing a wig from Idefine Wig, and before I get into the video, I just want to say thank you to Idefine Wig for this gift collaboration. And you guys, they sent me a 10-inch Yaki straight 180% density bob unit. It is a lace front wig 13x4. This is how it came in the packaging, and I also did get this informational card that has their 30-day return and exchange policy. It also has some questions about just installing a wig and any questions you may have about human hair products. And it also came with these wig caps as well. And here is what the wig looks like fresh out the packaging. So let me go ahead and give you guys the tea about Idefine Wig. So they offer a variety of high quality 100% human hair wigs and bundles at affordable pricing, and you guys, they have so many different discounts right now. They even have a Halloween sale going on where you can get up to $75 off of your purchase of $325 or more. And y'all, Idefine Wig, they were so nice enough to give me my own discount code where you can get 15% off of any purchase, and I will have that code listed down below in the description box, as well as the direct link to this wig, so you guys can save some coins and look fly. And also, not to mention, Idefine Wig, they have their own membership program, which is completely free. And when you sign up, you can get exclusive coupons and you get points as well. And you can even get 500 points just for signing up. And I also like that they offer worldwide free shipping. So not only do you can get a discount, but you can also get free shipping as well. And they also have a variety of different products. So not only do they have wigs, your lace front wigs, but they have headband wigs. They also have your bundles and your closures. And they also do offer a variety of tools and accessories like bonnets, edge brushes, combs, clips, everything that you need for a perfect install. So again, thank you to Idefine Wig for this wig collaboration, and I will have all their information listed down below in the description box. So I'm just gonna sit back and let you guys vibe out and enjoy this glueless wig install.
Same way you used to, I require more, better than we ever had before. Gon' be whole, though I couldn't blame. Basic bottom troll, what do you want greater? I am no wave, be surfing. I show you how to get this pay, will I be stacking? Been in a whole lot of pain, now we laughing. Me and Bane making plays till we crashing, yeah. Don't need to be on the scene, we are the scene. Yeah. Dripping wetter from head to toe, little baby me. Yeah, I get what's mine. Let's remind them, be my ride. All gas. No way they gon' never pace us. No way they could ever break us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up now. All gas. Stay down even when we not up. No way they could ever break us up. Oh God, they could only try to keep up. I let it ride when I usually would've rolled out. I know you grateful that I stayed down. We either pass in the past, that's all done now. Glad that we stayed down. We gon' pull up in a whip, start a new trend. Every inch of our skin is the blueprint. Follow the lines. They act like they forget, let's remind them, be my ride. All gas. No way they can never pace us. No way they could ever break us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up now. All gas. Stay down even when we not up. No way they could ever break us
Alright you all, so here are the final results of this unit from Idefine. You guys, I really do love the texture on this wig. This was my very first time trying out a Yaki texture unit and I'm just in love. Like, you can't tell me that this is not my own hair. Like, I love the density on this wig. It's very full but very light at the same time. I really do like the layers that they cut in the front and throughout the unit. It definitely does help to frame the face. And another thing that I do like is this wig got body yaddy yaddy. Like, y'all, the bob is bobbing, okay? Like, you can't tell me she's not my hair. Like, we have movements. And I also do like that the hair is not too shiny, so it definitely doesn't give that wiggy effect. And you guys, one thing that I did also like about this unit, the tangling and shedding is very, very minimal. Like, there literally is no tangles. I'm just able to run my fingers all throughout the hair, and it does not tangle at all in the nape section, which I'm super duper happy about. And honestly, I expected it to tangle just because it's shoulder length, so it's brushing up against the collar, but no tangling over here. Like, I really do love that about this unit. It doesn't tangle. And even though as you guys saw, I cut some of the hair out to make some edges or baby hairs, but that's literally it as far as like hair coming out of the unit. I didn't receive any shedding when I shampooed or blow dried the unit, or when I went back through to just bump the ends. I didn't get no shedding, so I definitely love that about this unit. And I love the versatility with the adjustableness. So as you guys saw in the beginning, you are able to use the elastic band, and the elastic band is removable, so you are able to just use the straps that come with it or the comb. So I definitely love that about this unit as well. And overall, I mean, to be honest, y'all, I'm gonna give this wig a 10 out of 10, and you guys already know I probably will come back up here and let you guys know how I'm feeling the wig later on after wearing it for a few weeks. But so far, I mean, I'm really loving her. Like, you can't tell me this is not my hair. Like, I mean, I just got a silk press, a cut and curl. Like, you can't tell me this isn't my hair. You cannot tell me. Hey y'all, Edit Ashley popping in real quick. You guys, I was editing this video and I just had to come in and let you guys know how I've been feeling about this unit so far. I have been wearing it for 1 week, and yesterday I did go to the gym, and you guys, your girl did cardio 30 minutes and I was sweating, okay? Now, the bang, it did sweat out a little bit, but one thing that I was super duper surprised about was the hair was not poofy at all. And when I say I was sweating on my neck and everything, like, I felt that the hair was damp, but it did not poof up and swell at all. So I was super duper happy about that. And this morning I did throw the wig back on because I wanted to wear it today and touch it up. So I didn't put any heat protectant oil, no products or nothing in this hair. This is still how the unit is looking from the first time that I put heat on the hair, which is in this video. And it's still holding up so well. The wig has so much movement and body in it, which I love. And you guys, this morning I did put a little bit more heat on the bang just because I wanted to see what this wig would do with more heat on it. And baby, this texture is amazing. Like, it really does give that silk press vibe. So if you are a natural hair girly and you don't really want to do too much heat on your own hair for this silk press season, I definitely would suggest grabbing this unit, because you can't tell me that this isn't my hair. Like, you cannot tell me I didn't just go get a silk press and a trim. Like, come on now. But anyways, back to the video. Alright y'all, that is all that I have for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this wig review of Idefine. I will have all the information in the description box for you guys so you can check them out. And do not forget to share this video with your beauty besties so we all can look fabulous together. And you guys already know what to do. Remember to stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay safe, and stay poppin'. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.